Hi, and welcome to Two Tired Teachers. Today I want to talk about my Tucktec folding kayak. And this video is really just to answer a lot of questions that I've been asked as I have taken the kayak out. As you can see, whenever it is open, it is a full 10-foot, 30-inch wide kayak. It weighs 28 pounds. And one of the first questions is, does it track straight? And this video you're watching here is the very first time I had ever been in any kind of a paddling vessel at all. And yes, it tracks straight. There is a fin, and I had no problems whatsoever. As a matter of fact, I was really pleased with how well it went. Okay, this is the folded kayak, and you can see it is 47 inches long and 15 inches across. And people ask, how long does it take to set up? Is it any trouble? And the answer is no. I will tell you, the two buoys that you saw there, I purchased extra because I got this to fish out of, and when I've been on piers, I have hooked into some large catfish, and so I didn't want there to be any question or any concern. And I will say, the kayaks come in a variety of colors, and those change periodically, so you'll need to check out their website. This is not a sponsored video. I bought my kayak, but I bought it because I wanted a kayak, first of all, that I could lift and carry without any problems. Like I said, this weighs 28 pounds, and so it is no problem. And the company has done a great job of design. The only thing you see extra there, that little white part, was some packaging that had come with a product I bought. And I decided to extend my seat a couple of inches, and that I just made a little cushion that went on top of the cushion that came with the kayak. One of the questions I get asked a lot, does it leak? Is there any water? And the answer is absolutely not. There are actually 6 brackets, and you'll kind of see what I'm doing here is that latch into place. You fold it, it goes under. This is not a how-to video. There are lots of those on the web. This is just to show you someone who's not young can set this thing up basically in 5 minutes. You'll see the countdown on this one took a little bit longer, but that's because it was extremely windy and I was trying to get this recorded. There is a footrest. There's plenty of room inside of the kayak. This is actually an American-made kayak. The company is in South Carolina. They use recycled plastics, and the warranty is kind of a 90-day love it or return it warranty. And then the kayak itself is guaranteed for 3 years. And as of the making of this video, they have sold 50,000 of these kayaks. And if you go to their Facebook page, you go to their website, you're going to see people love these kayaks. And I will tell you right now, if I'd known about it, I would love to have had this kayak for years. We can carry it with us. It really does not take up any space. And I have it, and if the conditions are right, I can get out and explore on the water. And I have done that a number of times, number of different places, and I absolutely love it. The little design you see in the bottom there, I added those shower stickers just to add a little traction. I also got a couple of dry bags. The strap that's the shoulder strap is actually going to work to hold the back of the seat, and the Velcro strap that was holding the kayak together is what is used to secure the seat in the kayak. So all of this stuff is really well designed. This is a hard-sided kayak. I will tell you, the first time I took it out and I was trying to paddle and learn how to maneuver and just doing some different things, I was in a buoy. I hit a branch that was underwater, did not see it, wasn't focused on that, And I was very thankful that I was in a hard-sided kayak because I had absolutely no issues, no concerns with that. You'll notice there on the right, there's a handle at the bow and at the stern, and that just makes it a lot easier to maneuver it into the water. Um, like I said, when this thing is fully assembled, I am easily able to pick it up and carry it closer to the water if I've had to put it together a little bit further away, but I usually carry it any distance. I'll carry it while it's folded. And I will tell you now, if you get one of these, you're going to want to talk about it because you're going to love the kayak, but you're going to have people asking about it. And it's just a lot of fun. And the setup, as you can see, we're basically through. I'm going to put the little buoys on the sides, and that's it. The teardown, that's something else you want to think about, is how long does it take to fold it back up? Folks, it doesn't take quite as long to fold it back up as it does to set it up. And all I've got to do is take a sponge and just, I try to do that every time I take it out, as I carry a sponge with me in case when I'm paddling I get a bit rambunctious and splash myself, or just to wipe it down as I bring it in so that it stays nice. But putting it back in is no issue whatsoever. I love the design. I love how lightweight it is. And I love the fact that I can carry this on all of our travels and it's really not in the way. Like I said, I got this for fishing. A lot of people like fishing with a milk crate, and you'll see that one fits in here, and that's with the seat at back as far as it goes. If you're interested in my fishing setup, since this is a sit-in kayak and it's kind of soft-sided, I mean, it's not a traditional kayak, I'd be happy to do a video about that, but I'm not going to do it if nobody's interested. But if you'll leave us a comment and let us know, I will be more than happy to get that done for you. Folks, Tucktec, the customer service, you can call and actually talk to a person. And I love this kayak. And I can't really say enough good about it. I've had it out, I'd say, a dozen times. I will tell you, when you first get it, it's going to be a little more stiff. The more times you fold it, the easier it becomes. I got mine kind of in the winter, and I had to have some space heaters out to get it to where I could fold it, but practiced a few times in my living room. Not a young person, not a graceful entry, but gets it done, and I'm able to get out and have a ball out on the water. If you're interested in getting kayaks, like I said, this is not a sponsored video at all. A kayak that's going to easily travel with you, this is something I highly recommend. I do want to say, I just paddled there so you could get an idea. Always, always, always wear a life jacket, that if you're going to be out at all. And if you get one, let us know. I hope you've enjoyed my look at my Tucktec folding kayak. Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.